Most welcome friends, today I will show you how to make a difference ramp voltage variable power supply. So we need some parts of MDF board. You can see his size 3.3 into 7.5 centimeter these, and different type of this size. You can take a screenshot of this size. And second, more necessary of this SMPS, you can buy this SMPS any electronic shop, only 40 to 50 rupees, and you can buy any old SMPS on cheap rate. And second most important things, a SPST switch and a LED with 1 kilo ohm resistance. It's only 1 to 3 rupees component. And here necessary a rotary switch. This rotary switch I already made in my past video. You can see the thumbnails are see on the screen and link in description this video, so you can see. And so firstly I will set this SMPS on this MDF board and gum and fix this MDF board as a box. So let's make a back box. So firstly glue this. So we need some marking for cutting. Like that, this is our front panel, and here I fixed switch and rotary switch and SPST and our LED. So I cut this and marking. After the marking I will properly cut, and here I am using make a big hole for wire, for output wire. So I cut this and I finishing using the sandpaper, and I rub this over parts. So let's gum this using the liquid plastic LP, and second name is extent glue. So we gum here using the LP, and you should use any type glue. So firstly I set this switch and after the LED with resistance and fixed this using the LP, and I set this rotary switch here and tied the her screw and pass this wire in this hole. It's output wire, and it connects the output wire in with this wire, pink wire. Pink wire means is a common wire, and this is our SMPS supply. And you should use this black wire for G means ground. So I remove this plastic for soldering properly and understand properly and soldering properly. So I soldered this wire, black wire, on ground, and her symbol is G. And second wire connect in 3.3 voltage pin. You can use first pin is 3.3 voltage pin, and connect this second wire. Second wire, the wire is green color wire, connect on this pin. It's 10 voltage pin, and next wire is connect here. I show you. So next wire, our this blue wire connect 12 voltage pin, and violet wire connect in 24 voltage pin. So I connect this 24 voltage pin, this wire on 24 voltage pin. You can see I select, and this 2 wire is not usable, so I cut this. It's not for use, it's a over wire, so I connect this. So our work is halfly complete, and you can take a screenshot for understanding this connection. This is our LED wire. So I connect this LED wire is 3.3 voltage pin. Positive wire is connect 3.3 pin, and negative wire connect on ground voltage pin. So I connect this wire. Friends, if you have any query, you can follow me on Instagram and ask any question and any doubt in comment box. and my Instagram user ID DKT Club, link in description. I am here using 220 voltage AC connection, and I take wire a blue color wire, connect to SMPS to SPST switch. This is the main lead wire, and the main lead wire connect yellow wire and blue wire with SMPS used via this SPST switch. So blue wire connect to SPST switch second terminal, and yellow wire connect to SMPS input second terminal, and I fixed this using the LP properly. So let's connect and I gum this using the LP properly. It's a good, you can use any type Fevicol or glue, but it's Fevicol take more and more time, half hour for dry, but LP is in 5 seconds dry and fixed the properly in 5 seconds, but Fevicol take more and more time. So I fixed this using this a small LP. So I connect this properly, fixed this. So our work is complete. So let's test this. After the testing, I rub this and some draw here as a name power supply and voltage, यहाँ पे power supply और voltage. So I here draw right voltage, 0 voltage, 3 voltage, 5 voltage, 10, 12, 18 voltage or 20 or 24 voltage. So I draw right all voltage for understanding, and I use here a marker for dark this, draw and write number. So let's test this. So I connect this and press the switch. Our SMPS working properly, and select voltage round the rotary switch clockwise and anti-clockwise, 3 voltage, 5 voltage, 10, 12 or 20 voltage. Here is the 5 step. So I connect this multimeter for testing this voltage. I connect this and move this round this switch. So you can see our SMPS is working well, 3.3 voltage, and next step 5 voltage, and next around 13-12 voltage, and fourth step 15 voltage, and the fifth step 20 voltage. So our working this is working well. You can see here is the 5 step, and all 5 step is working well. So I hope you like this video and subscribe this video. Friends, if you want this video in Hindi language, you can subscribe my main channel DKT Club. His link in description. And I have doing here some mistake in speaking, but by that English is not my official language. Just I learn this English, and I will try this language as well. So friends, you can see our SMPS, our supply is working well. It's the rotate this motor properly. So friends, please subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care, have a nice day.